Now let's just move on further towards the next question, that is question number 2, which says that a dome of a building is into a form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at cost of rupees 498.960. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meters, find the inside surface area of the dome and the volume of the air inside it. So let's just start the solution of this one. So first of all, we can see over here that the area which is whitewashed into the cost per square meter should be is equal to the total cost. Obviously we know we can able to calculate the total cost using this particular formula only. So with this we can able to calculate the area which is whitewashed. So the area whitewashed into the cost per meter is nothing but rupees 2, and the total cost is given to us as nothing but rupees 498.960. So hence we can able to calculate the area which is whitewashed. So the area whitewashed is nothing but is equal to 498.960 divided by 2, and after just cancellation we'll get the answer as 249.48. The units are in meters, so we have meter square. Hence this is nothing but the area which is whitewashed, and we know that this is nothing but the area which is inside of the dome, because we have calculated from inside it was whitewashed. So hence it implies that so this area is actually nothing but the inside surface area of the dome. It implies the area whitewashed is actually nothing but is equal to the inside surface area, and it is nothing but 249.48 meters square. So this is nothing but the part 1 that we needed to calculate, the inside surface area. So we are done with calculating the inside surface area. This is nothing but 249.48 meters square. Now let's just move on further towards the second part, in which we have to calculate the volume which is trapped inside it. But before that, we know that the volume of the hemisphere is nothing but 2 by 3 pi r cube, but we are unaware about the radius. So we have to calculate the radius using the inside surface area. So how we can able to calculate this thing? So first of all, since we know that we have the inner surface area, since the inner surface area we have of the dome is nothing but 249.48 we already have calculated, and we know that the inner surface area of the hemispherical dome is nothing but 2 pi r square, which is nothing but 249.48. So hence using this particular concept, that is 249.48 divided by 2, and we are using pi as 22 by 7 over here, we can able to calculate the radius over here. So when we will just sort it out all the values over here, so this is r square is equal to 249.48 into 7 divided by 44, and when we will just cancel it out, we will get the answer as nothing but r square is equal to 39.69, and hence the radius we will get at the end is nothing but square root 39.69, which will definitely comes out to be equal to 6.3 meters, and hence this is nothing but the radius of the hemispherical dome, and hence using this radius we can able to calculate the volume of the hemisphere. So hence the volume of the hemisphere we have is nothing but is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r, and r we already have calculated as 6.3 whole cube. So this would be nothing but 44 divided by 21 into 6.3 whole cube, and when we will just multiply all the values over here, then we will get the answer as nothing but 523.908 meter cube, which is nothing but is equal to the volume of the air, which is which is inside it. The volume of the air inside it is nothing but 523.908 meter cube, and this is nothing but the answer for this particular question. And I hope all the steps which are all related with this question are all clear to you. And with this question, this is nothing but the end of this chapter, which is nothing but all about the surface area and the volumes of the different kind of the solid figures that we already have talked about. I hope all the concepts related with this chapter are all clear to you. Now do practice more and more questions all by yourself.